So you can purchase a house after a bankruptcy or foreclosure. You just have to understand the guidelines. I recently had a couple call me and they were interested in purchasing. We had a whole conversation about income, debt ratio. We touched on credit for a little bit, but we really didn't get into it. I actually just made the assumption they had pretty good credit based on the way they were talking. I did realize that they needed to do an FHA loan because they didn't have that much money saved, and so that was going to be the direction we had to go. I encouraged them to do the application. When I get the application, one of the first things I notice is that they had had a bankruptcy that was dismissed 19 months ago. So the FHA guideline after a bankruptcy is you have to wait 24 months. So in this case, they were going to have to wait 5 months in order to actually move forward. I called them up, I explained that to them. They actually asked me if they could do a conventional loan, not an FHA loan. But on a conventional loan, the wait period is actually 48 months, so it's longer. FHA is the shortest time period to buy a house after a bankruptcy. So their plan was to save a little bit more money. And I also explained to them the good news is that after 24 months on an FHA loan, the rate is exactly the same as somebody who never had a bankruptcy. So there's no disadvantage in terms of the interest rate, and the payment would be the same. And they understood that. They're going to take advantage of the time in getting ready, and they'll have a house probably late summer.